What's up, everybody? We back with another video. It's been a minute since I recorded a video, man, but I think about recording all the time, so I said just gonna pick the camera back up. Just gonna keep going with my waves. I want to get in front of the camera and just talk, man. I think about it all the time, so I said, man, let me get back in here, start brushing my hair. I didn't want to get in front of the camera with my afro, so I did a washing style like a couple hours ago, and I'm gonna show this video gonna be about what to do after a washing style. And pretty much a washing style, for anybody that don't know, is you just washing your hair, but you using the soap and the suds of the soap to keep your waves laid down. But with the washing style, I feel like it makes it easier for young wavers like myself to train your hair. But I'll show y'all the results, what we got and what we gonna do. This is what we got right now. You know, tell y'all, man, I got an oil field job now, so I won't be home a lot to just go to the barber. So I gotta deal with what I do. But this is our results right now. We're gonna work on getting better connections, just getting like a good flow, and really work on just like filling my hair out, and especially the crown. You know, my crown real weak. It's really confusing, especially like when I'm washing my hair. So I'm gonna figure that out, learn that, and I'm gonna show y'all how I find my crown and how to really get it tight and help y'all out. 'Cause I'm sure other people have, problems with that as well. But first thing, after a washing style, you really don't need anything. You just laid your hair down. So it's laid down, everything good. So you don't need a comb, and you don't need a hard brush. The only thing you need pretty much is a soft brush and some type of moisturizer. Right, today I'm using a Curl Enhancing Smoothie by Shea Moisture. I seen 360 Jeezy using this like years ago, and I just bought it. I put it in like whatever hairstyle I got. I just use it. But that's pretty much all you need. You really don't want to put too much in your hair. Your hair is it's not moisturized right now because you use soap, but it's hydrated. Well, depending on what type of soap you use, but the soap that I use, I can show you that as well. This is the soap that I use, almond and avocado. It's hard. Like I try to order the shampoo bars, but they always sold out, like, on the wave channels. So I really don't even focus on it anymore. I just use what I got. You can get waves with pretty much anything. Walmart brushes, you don't have to have the best stuff. But I'm sure if you want to, go up and get better waves, you're going to have to get like the stuff that's made for what you're trying to do. But start now, you just go in with your Curl Enhancing Smoothie. Get you a little bit. Maybe like not too much. Maybe about that much right there. And what you're gonna do, you're just gonna go in and you're gonna rub this in your palm until it kind of get like tacky. You see, it's not really tacky right now, but you want it to be tacky. So just do that for a couple seconds. I don't know if you can hear that, but it's getting to be where you want it. And this stuff smells really good too. So, you can see on my hand, like it's sticky. It smells real good, so you'll be, good. And just put it in your hair. Since I'm focusing on my crown, I'm gonna take a little bit more. Rub this in. I ain't gonna rub it as much. I'm just doing the one finger. I'll just make sure that I'm really moisturizing my crown. You know, your pattern starts from your crown, so if you're seeing any problems, they probably can be fixed if you get your crown right. And as you can see, me, my crown needs some work. But I think that that's it right there. So I try to brush around it. But after that, you're gonna grab your soft brush and you're just gonna do a quick brush session. Like, we're not trying to really disturb the hair too much. We're just trying to get some moisturizer in our hair so scalp don't be dry, and rag back up, and it's gonna look good. So the next time you come out the do-rag, you know you need to make sure you're going somewhere, you know, or they gonna respect your hair. We really right now just distributing, distributing all the oils. I don't know how good y'all can see. I'm pretty tall, so I'm having to duck to see in my mirror. But I think we're getting it done. But that's pretty much it. After you brush for a while, however long you want to brush, all you do is rag it back up and let your hair settle back down. Again, I'll show y'all. I don't know. Anybody that don't know how to tie a do-rag, quick here. Pull one, when you tie it in the back, don't pull too tight, You still want it pretty loose. I think people that tie their straps way too tight, that's when you start getting like lines on your forehead and stuff like that. Then last thing, I used to tuck my flaps inside, but sometimes they kind of give you a headache, like pushing on the back of your head. So now there's time in the back. And that's it. So that's how you tie your do-rag. This is what you do after a washing style. 2 things: curl enhancing smoothie and a soft brush. Pretty much all you need. Probably tomorrow, the next day, you start going in with a full brush session. Really training out here again. So I'll get back to y'all then, and I'm out.